It's one of the fastest growing cosmetic treatments in the country. Yes, as you can see, it's teeth whitening, and we're getting it done here live on air this morning, and we're joined by Freddie Desmond from the White House in Swords in County Dublin, who is the owner. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Alan.
Now, one of the fastest growing cosmetic treatments in the country. Everybody loves their pearly whites, but this is called the Beyond Power, and it's one of the most advanced systems. So tell us why this maybe is different to others that are getting done right across the country.
Okay, well, this is the Beyond Power Advanced Whitening System. So it is the most advanced system, and it's the safest technology because it uses a cold filtered blue light. So
we've just seen the nurse there put on the gel, basically the whitening gel that's gone onto the teeth, and then basically this lamp. So tell us about the lamp and why this is different.
It filters out any heat or any harmful UV rays from the source. So it's a lot safer than some of the...
Because when you go to other places, that the lamp heats up and you feel that heat on your teeth and you feel that...
Exactly, yeah. It's a heat lamp, and it can also, it can burn the gums or the lips or anything like that. So it has to...
So this is cold. This is a cold lamp, cold filtered lamp. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we have some examples just to show people of before and after shots. How long do these? How long do you sit for these now? Because I remember I got mine done about 2-3 years ago, and it was about an hour. It's like you're saying it's 3 12-minute sessions.
3 12-minute sessions, yeah. They're done back to back, so it takes about 36 minutes in total.
Right.
That's the treatment itself. But when the customer comes in, we'll go through everything and do a quick consultation.
We're looking there at some before and after shots. And they look at your teeth as they are, and we have some of it there. Can I just see that? Just give you an example of this, the type of... So the shades, you have all the different shades, and then you can actually see where you are and then what the difference is afterwards.
Yeah. What we do beforehand is take a quick measurement of where you are, and then that'll give us a good idea of where we expect it to come up at the end of the treatment. We get an average of about 8 shades whiter. So
8 shades whiter?
Yeah.
Because you can get the real... Because I remember when I went from, they said, do you want the Hollywood smile? And I went, no, I don't want the Simon Cowell look. That's a bit too dazzling.
Yeah.
So do people go for just a nice white shade?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. I mean, what it does is it actually effectively removes all the stains that would have built up over the years from, everyday consumption of things like tea, coffee and red wine. So it would actually remove those stains, so it comes up very naturally white. Usually we'd say we'd get your teeth back to a shade that they were when you were a teenager. When
you're a teenager. Now, the thing about, you were talking about tea and coffee, when you have this done, it takes 36 minutes. Do you get your little gel kit then to take home with you that you can reuse again after a couple of months?
Actually, it's not necessary for our treatment. What we do offer is top-up treatments.
All right.
So you could get that done, around a year's time or a year and a half. It's done professionally in the clinic.
So when this is done, then for 24 hours, you don't drink tea, coffee, red wine, anything that might stain them, because they are quite sensitive. No smoking?
No smoking for 24 hours. Yeah,
really?
That's usually the difficult one for most people, yeah. You need to avoid those things for 24 hours immediately after getting the treatment done, because the teeth can stain quite easily within that initial 24 hours. And after that, then you can just go back to your normal diet.
And basically, if you want to keep your teeth white for longer, avoid dark staining foods and drinks. People might, like smoking. I didn't realise that smoking affected your teeth that badly, but obviously...
Yeah, it does, yeah. Like smoking, obviously, people that smoke usually would smoke 10 or 15 cigarettes a day, and over time, that's going to stain the teeth,
Okay, so if you want to get it done, if you want your teeth sparkling white, then get onto the White House in Swords today. The numbers and the website's on your screen now. But for people who can't afford to maybe get this done, what are some tips maybe to keep your teeth whiter? Like, do the whitening toothpastes work?
Well, they can actually remove any extrinsic stains, from the outside of the teeth. They wouldn't effectively remove stains that have built up deep within the tooth. But it would be a good start, obviously, to stop allowing your teeth to become any more stained.
And like the red wine, coffee, tea, just be careful of it when you are drinking it. That it does stain your teeth. And then you can get the small kits, can't you? The small whitening kits as well.
You can, of course. Yeah, you could use the take-home kits and kind of do it yourself. Obviously, that takes up to 15 days to get the same results.
Same results as you get this done. Okay, now what we're going to do is we've started the whitening process here. We've got shots of teeth, how they look beforehand. So at the end of the show, in about 50 minutes time, we're going to come back. The treatment will be completed and we're going to show you how it looks then. But for the moment, Freddie, thank you very much for that, and it's back here with Freddie from the White House in Swords, and you're opening a new shop in Galway also, is it?
That's right, yeah.
When are you
We've
opening?
Just established that probably in the next, hopefully within the next month.
Okay, that's look forward to that. Now, we were doing the whitening teeth on Alison here earlier on. We have a before shot and an after shot. Now, we have to say that Alison's teeth were quite white this morning, and we went up from shades. So there is the before shot, and then we have the after shot. There it is there. So you do, how many shades? You said you've come up about 6 shades there. Normally it comes up about 8, is it?
On average it will come up about 8 shades. I'd say she came up about 5 shades whiter today, so brightened up.
They've brightened up. So it's the White House in Swords if you want to get your teeth whitened. Thank you very much, Freddie.